8:1, 2x4-1/4 cooking head. 28 overall length. The big daddy of pie irons. Our double-sized cast iron allows you to maximize the cooking versatility. 2 sandwiches at a time or calzone, fish and pasties. Rome 1605 double pie iron with steel and wood handles. Top reviews from the United States. Fun, easy to use for every meal. We loved taking this camping with us. We used it for every meal. If you're used to cooking with cast iron, it should be too difficult for you to use. Most important thing is to season it well. We cooked cinnamon bread and apple pie using crescent roll dough. We made pizza, calzone with pizza dough. We also cooked sausages and eggs and veggies. All turned out great. Cook time took a bit of practice since you can't see it. Using oil or butter was very important to keep for sticking. It comes coated in paraffin wax, which was hard to scrub off, so we ended up putting on the grill to melt it off and scrubbed after that.